In this video, I will show you exactly how to earn your Bloomberg certification, which is officially known as the Bloomberg Market Concepts course. First, you must have access to a Bloomberg terminal. If you are a student, check with your university library or finance lab, because most schools provide this access for free. Once you are logged into the terminal, type the letters BMC and hit the Enter key. This command takes you directly to the certification homepage where you can create your personal account. When setting up your profile, use your institutional email to ensure you receive any eligible discounts. The course itself is divided into 4 main modules, which cover economic indicators, currencies, fixed income, and equities. As you progress through the interactive videos, you will encounter multiple choice questions that test your understanding of real-time data. Do not rush through these sections because your score is tracked. Once you finish everything, Bloomberg will generate a formal certificate that you can download and add to your LinkedIn profile. Take your time with the material and enjoy the learning process.